XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned we want the price to break this top at least. Then from there, any reversal we can look for. Okay, now we get as we can see the price move here, and when the price was here in this correction, I mentioned if we want to look for buy, we need to get the proper trade setup, because at that time I mentioned what we have is not the proper, exactly as what we can see the price 2 times sharply move but reverse. Now the thing is whether this is a correction for continuation or still we can expect the price to drop, because overall we expecting the price, if the price drop and break this low which is 0.42 at least, then from there any reversal we can look for buy. Okay, in this case we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking when the price was within this move, we have been looking for exactly here the price to drop. We get the drop but it didn't break, continue, and now we get this one. We want to see whether this is a part of this correction, still we can expect the price to drop or not. Okay, in this case if we move to forward chart, as we mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, technically we're expecting the price to drop at least break 0.42, can be the continuation 0.39. Then because after that any reversal for buy can give us better confirmation that price continuously can move and break 0.65 with the and 0.75 and continue. Okay, that's why we mentioned if the price can give us one more drop with the breakout of any of this low, any reversal can give us a big trade. Okay, by the way, now we get this one. We want to see whether this is the one is going to give us a drop, or still we can expect the price move a bit higher. Okay, in this case, based on forward chart, they have nothing to refer. The indicators, and if you move to 1 hour chart, okay, based on 1 hour chart, what I want to say is that we don't have any good trade setup either for buy or sell. If we want to look for buy, technically is the best. If we get one more drop, at least we get this correction flat 1 2 3, then any reversal from there we can look for buy. Okay, and even if the price sharply move from here, either we have entry above the stop or we wait for the sharp move flag, and the best things is whether we can get any sharp move flag within this range or above this. That's mean the best things is if we get any above. Okay, but if there was any opportunity within this, we need to see whether we can trade it or not. Okay, again, if you want to look for buy, the best things is the price drop at least give us a proper correction, then any reversal from there we look for buy. And if the price continue from here, either have entry above the top. If you have entry above the top, is very risky, because we want the price tag break and continue the price tag within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. That's why traders, if they want to have entry above the top, that they need to be really careful. And the another option is we get the for the sharp move with the breakout of the top, any flag above that they can look for buy. Have getting a, we are not sure whether we can get any trade setup within this range or not. At, for example, sharp move with the flag. If we get, we trade it. We need to see. By the way, we mentioned we want the price to drop. Any reversal from there, we look for buy. And even if you want to look for sell, this one at least break this one. Any sharp move with the flag, we take it. And as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage it. We want to see whether there is a continuation or not, because we can expect the price move a bit higher with the breakout of the top. Any flag, we take it. For sell, when the price come to this level low, if we see there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out. Then from there, any buy we take. If we get, we take the trade. Okay, because we're looking for this. This is the best things we can look for. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. But right now, we don't have any proper trade setup, either for buy or sell. We just need to wait and see how this correction can form before we take any trade. But all the possibility we mentioned, and the best was the price. If you want to look for buy, drop and break this low. But we mentioned, since we have been looking for this one, this correction to price to drop, that's why if we get any flag for sell, first we take it, sorry, and when the price come to this level, if we see there is a continuation, we keep. If not, any reversal, we can look for buy. This is the best things we can look for to trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.